Planning a metal building starts with turning your ideas into a personalized design. And Viking Steel Structures makes that process easier with an online tool that lets you see your building take shape before you order. And we caught up with Viking Steel representative Chris Ross, who will walk us through the design tools step by step and show you how to choose your building style, dimensions, colors, doors, and other available options.
I'm Chris Ross, sales rep here at Viking Steel Structures. Today we'll be going over how to use the 3D design tool. Today we'll be building the 30 by 50 by 10 with a 12 by 50 7-foot tall lean-to. You'll notice the actual dimensions of the structures here. This is the overall dimensions of the entirety, the building and the lean-to. So we will go over here to our builder. You'll want to select your style. You can build them up from standard, but it would be easier just to go ahead and select garage, as we will be building a garage. All right, we've chosen our style. So we will go down here to size. We are building a 30 by 50 by 10. So we'll pick 30, 50, 10-foot tall. Our garage doors or roll-up doors are 10 wide, 9-foot tall. So we'll go over here, select 10 wide, 9-foot tall. You can select this one, click remove, click the one that you just added and click duplicate. And scroll down and click center. All right. So we have a couple of windows on the right side and a couple of windows on the end. A couple of 30 by 30s on the side and end. Select the side you're adding the windows to. Click window. And you can click duplicate again. Adjust the placement as needed. Slide back to the end. Add a couple more 30 by 30s, duplicate. And you'll notice they are 6 feet from the edge, both. All right, so now we will add our lean-to. You're going to go to sides and ends. Our lean-to is going to be on the right side of the building, so we're going to click right. The width was going to be 12. The length is 50. The legs were 7-foot tall. You will then click done. All right. So now we will pick our colors. We had a gray roof, white trim, and barn red siding. And that is pretty much it. Once you have settled or are happy with your design, you will go over here to click save. Fill out the needed information. You don't have to select one of these, but depending on the situation, you may want to get your quote as soon as possible and click save.
We'd like to thank Viking Steel representative Chris Ross for walking us through the design process today. I'm Justin Yates, and this has been your Viking Building Brief.